The Onboard Basic Safety Training Program provides vessel operators and seamen with a cost-effective means of complying with the onboard drilling, training, and assessment requirements established by the ISM and STCW codes. This instructional resource combines broadcast-quality videotapes, pictorial workbooks, and computer-based training. It consists of 5 modules. Onboard first aid, immediate actions. Basic firefighting. Personal survival. Personal safety and social responsibility. The interactive training, drilling, and assessment compact disc. The training modules are based on the requirements set forth in Table 6 of the STCW Code as amended in 1995. Each module consists of an audio-visual training course, a test video cassette, and a workbook that reinforces instructional content by utilizing still frames captured from the videotapes. The combination of image-rich videotape and print creates a powerful instructional system that results in high levels of content retention and aids crew members in maintaining the competencies required by the STCW Code. The interactive compact disc facilitates onboard training, drilling, and assessment operations and associated record keeping as required by the ISM Code. Parts 1 and 2 of Onboard First Aid Immediate Actions feature medical professionals portraying shipboard personnel as they demonstrate the immediate actions required for stabilizing the condition of an ill or injured crew member. Part 3 is the test cassette that allows the viewer to evaluate his or her understanding of the subject matter as a means of boosting retention and measuring comprehension. Part 4 is the workbook, which serves as a study guide that can be issued to crew personnel. Included in the workbook are test forms that can be used for scoring and certification of those who complete the program. Targeted at entry-level personnel, Onboard First Aid Immediate Actions offers a cost-effective means of meeting onboard training requirements for elementary first aid. Parts 1, 2, and 3 of Basic Firefighting represent an audio-visual refresher course in shipboard fire prevention and control. Part 4 is the test cassette, and Part 5 is the workbook. The live fire scenes were photographed at the Washington State Fire Training Center and feature professional firefighters.
Okay, Team 2, approach the fire command.
The fire drills were conducted aboard vessels ranging from fishing boats to oil tankers and container ships. Like the other components of the Onboard Basic Safety Training Program, personal survival is based on Table 6 of the revised STCW Code. Photographed aboard vessels ranging from deep-sea trawlers and seagoing tugs to oil tankers and container ships, it represents an audio-visual refresher course in coping with abandoned ship and in-the-water emergencies. It consists of 3 content cassettes, the test cassette, and the workbook. Produced for the Ship Operations Cooperative Program, or SOCP Committee, Personal Safety and Social Responsibility illustrates safe working practices, effective human relationships, fundamentals of communication and chain of command, emergency procedures, and pollution prevention. It utilizes dramatized scenarios that produce emotionally based comprehension of the subject matter. It consists of 2 content cassettes, a test cassette, and the workbook. The interactive training, drilling, and assessment compact disc facilitates onboard training and associated record keeping. Vessel managers have access to a secure area of the database that offers step-by-step guidelines for conducting onboard drilling, training, and assessment operations. The database maintains a history of these operations and quickly generates crew participation and performance reports for auditors or port state control authorities. Crew members have access to a restricted area of the database that tests their comprehension of the onboard basic safety training curriculum presented in the companion instructional modules. It documents their test scores and certifies their participation in onboard training, drilling, and assessment. Call today to order your copies of the Onboard Basic Safety Training Program.